Good morning, students. So let's start our class. So as I just said a minute back, first we'll discuss if you have any doubt in any of these two DPPs, we will discuss these questions first, followed by we will solve some representative problem from definite integration. Those problems will be helpful to you to understand. And let's first let me understand. Could you please tell me from DPP 18, do you have any doubt, Sagnik? Anyone means I see it is submitted by Mohor, Gurman, Sagnik, and Disha. Do you have any doubt, any questions from DPP 18?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
All right. From DPP 19, any doubt you have, Mohor and Sagnik?
So the last question I got a very long answer. I'm not sure whether it's correct or not.
Okay, we'll look into it. So last question means I think you are talking about integration 1 to 2 5x square by x
Yes.
square plus 4x plus 3, no?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, sure. We'll discuss this. So, Sagnik, you have any doubt in any questions?
So I also have a doubt in the last one.
Okay. So, forget about the definite part. If it is an indefinite part, how you will proceed? Suppose there is no definite part, it is only the indefinite part.
Yes.
Then how you will proceed?
So like dividing 5x square by x square plus 4x plus 3.
Correct. Okay. Exactly. So that will divide, right? If you divide, then what will get the quotient and what will get the remainder, and after that you need to proceed with that partial fractions, right?
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yes.
So now before that, if you divide, then what you are getting? What is the quotient and what is the remainder? If you divide 5x square by x square plus 4x plus 3, what is the quotient and what is the remainder? Simple question.
Yes. I got 1 minus 4x minus 3 by x square plus 4x plus 3.
No, my question is simple. My question is that, I repeat the question, okay? If you do not understand the question, you can ask me. I can again explain what is the question. My question is that, if you divide 5x square by x square plus 4x plus 3, you will get first quotient and get remainder, right?
Yeah.
And these two are expressions. So what is the quotient? First, let me understand the quotient. It could either be an expression or a constant value or something. But anyway, finally it is an expression. What is the quotient?
Um,
Huh?
Like I expressed it in the form of x square.
Understood. Point is not that what you expressed. Point is that it is, let me write down the question first. Point is that if we divide, suppose if I say I am dividing 16 by 3, what is the quotient? You will get a number, na? Correct or not? So that's what I'm asking exactly. That what is the number? I hope you got my point, right? That my question is that what is the number? Here is the integration 1 to 2, 5x square divided by x square plus 4x plus 3. Anyone can answer? Sagni, can you answer? If you divide, 5x squared, so that means what? 5x square will be here. You see the conventional way of division, correct or not? That is the way you divide, no?
Yes.
So all my question was that what was the quotient? Quotient will be 5, no?
5. Oh,
So
that.
that, what that means what? Tell me. Let me understand what you meant. What else you meant?
I did.
Huh?
I did the same thing, but I took 5 outside the integration.
That's
I did
fine. But
square
my,
by
my my question was not that whether you took 5 outside the integration or not. You can take 5 outside the integration, no problem. My question was if you divide 5x square by x square plus 4x plus 3. I didn't ask if you divide x square by 4x plus x square plus 4x plus 3, or you can say this thing, sir. I took 5 outside, so I do in this way. That is also fine. But question was that what is the remainder and what is the quotient and remainder? So then what you'll get? You'll get 5x square plus 20x plus 15, correct or not? And then you know the conventional way of division. So then what will get? Minus 20x minus 15,
Yes.
correct or not?
Yeah.
So the entire thing, that is 5x square divided by x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to what we are going to get. It is actually 5, isn't it? And minus 20x plus 15, correct or not? 20x plus 15 divided by x square plus 4x plus 3. So integration of entire thing. Now if we do an integration of dx, so what it will be? Integration 5 dx minus integration of this dx, correct or not? Clear or not clear? First we find that, indefinite part. Consider this as an indefinite integration. Then after that we'll put the upper limit and lower limit, right? No? So now our full focus is coming to this particular one. What was the difficulty to find that integration?
Sir, I got uh, like 20x plus 15 by x plus 3 into x plus 1.
Fantastic.
Then I got a equals to 45 by 2
Hmm?
and b equals to minus 5 by 2.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Very well. Means you got it exactly correct. So, Sagnik, you also got the same thing?
Yes, I got that.
Okay. Perfect. Then it is quite simple, no? So, ultimately, what we are getting then? Ultimately, we are getting something like this. If we make it 1 to 2, sorry, let me use a different color. If we make 1 to 2 dx, should it become 1 to 2? Here also it become 1 to 2, correct or not?
Yeah.
1 to 2. So here it is 1 to 2. So finally it will be what? It will be 5 into integration dx. 5 into integration dx 1 to 2 minus, okay, what we'll get, and as you got a is equal to b is equal to minus 5 by 2. So we can write something like this. I hope you will agree to me. That is equal to plus 5 by 2 integration dx by x plus 1
Yes. Yes.
and lower limit 1, upper limit 2
Yeah.
minus 45 by 2 integration 1 to 2 dx by x plus 3, correct or not? Clear or not clear?
Yeah.
So now the task is pretty simple. So this is equal to 5 into x, correct or not?
Yeah.
And in fact, I can write 5 by 2 log of x plus 1. Let me write entire thing together, okay? Log of x plus 1 minus 45 by 2 Log or ln both make sense. Same, in this context, it is same. 1 to 2, correct?
Yeah.
First, we apply the value of 2.
2, yeah. So 10.
So then what will get? 5 into 2 minus 1, na? Correct or not? Plus, means individually I am applying 5 by 2. Log of 3 minus log 2. All of you agree to me?
Yeah.
Or I can do in this way. 5 of, it is 1 to 2. 5 by 2. 1 to 2. Correct, na? 45 by 2, 1 to 2. Correct? Now it is fine, na? Minus 45 by 2. Log 5 minus log 4. Correct? Log 5 minus log 4. And just for the sake of completeness, I am saying there is no integrating constant here because it is a definite integration. So we can simplify a little bit. 5 plus 5 by 2 into log of 3 by 2. Correct or not? Minus 45 by 2 into log of 5 by 4. Correct?
Yeah.
So if you want to simplify further, what you can do is that you can write 5 minus 5 by 2, you take common. Then you will get 9 into log 5 by 4. Correct? Minus log 3 by 2. That is the answer. Where is the difficulty? You said it is, you are getting something complex. It is not right.
Sir, I don't know if that is correct. I took the entire thing and applied to 1 to 2. Is that the correct?
That is it. I will evaluate it actually. You have submitted. I'll evaluate it.
1 minute. So if I simplify this, I'm getting 5 minus uh, 5 minus 5 by 2 ln 3 by 2 minus.
I just looked into your solution.
So, but I'm getting the 45 by 2 term different. That is different.
Correct. Because you see, there is, last moment what you did is that 45 by 2 log 4 minus log 3, log 5 minus log 4, na? You need to simplify. Minus 45 by 2. Okay. So log 5 by log 4, na? Log m minus log n is equal to log of m by n. That's what you did. You get nothing different, but your answer is not simplified manner.
So, but I'm getting 45 by 2 ln 4 minus 45 by 2 ln 5.
That's what I'm telling you, na? First
There
is
are,
the minus 45 by 2 ln 5 plus 45 by 2 ln 4, na?
yeah.
So then you take minus common, na? Then it will become what? ln 5
Okay,
minus
just,
ln 4?
yeah. Okay.
Just
Yes,
taking minus common, na?
yes, fine. Then I'm getting same.
Okay. All right. So, Sagnik, is it absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some kind of an, one question I want to apply and the concept of this definite integration. We will discuss in details later. Later means maybe 9 months from now. But exactly in physics where it is being applied, that definite integration, that one application I would like to do with you. Okay. So, for example, I want all of you to do along with me. Okay. So think about a circle. First, let's do a circle. All of you do along with me, dear students.
Yes.
So as you see, it is positive direction of y-axis. This is negative direction of y-axis. This is positive direction of x-axis. This is negative direction of x-axis. Correct? No?
Yeah.
Now, suppose there is a circle. Okay. The circle doesn't look like very good with center at origin. So let me. So please consider this as a circle, okay, with center at origin and radius as r. Okay. Now, if I ask you, what is the area of this region, what I marked in, shaded one, what will be the area?
Pi r squared by 4.
Pi r square by 4. So well you answered, right? So quickly you answered. Very good. And you say that, no, why not quickly, sir? It is so easy question you are asking. But we want to solve the same problem using definite integration. Now, can someone please tell me what is the equation of this circle? That circle is a curve, right?
Yeah.
What it is the equation? Its equation is that, let me tell you in case someone is not able to, its equation is that x square plus y square is equal to r square. Correct, na, dear students?
Okay.
Fine. Because if you remember, what is circle? Circle is nothing but the locus of a point. Okay. A point traversed in such a manner, it keeps a fixed distance from a fixed point.
Yeah.
You take any point on that circle and take their x coordinate square plus y coordinate square, you will always get it is equal to r square. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So then from here we can express y in terms of x. So y equal to plus minus square root of r square minus x square. Correct or not?
Yes.
Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Then if you look into it very carefully, the origin, the point origin has a coordinate 0, 0. Suppose this is the point A. What is the coordinate of the point A? R, 0, no, dear students?
Yeah.
What is the point B? It is 0, r. Correct?
Yes.
So then what is the area of this region? If you recall, area of this region, area of the region OABO. Correct, no? Because it is a closed region. If you recall, that is nothing but 0 to r y dx or fx dx. Correct or not?
0 to r. Yeah.
Remember
Yeah.
that what is that? What is the geometrical interpretation of definite integration? Geometrical interpretation of definite integration, it is a area bounded by curve and straight lines, right?
Yes. Yes.
So from here, what you can say is that fx equal to plus minus square root of r square minus x square. But we take the plus part because we take the upper part of this one.
Oh.
Got it? Lower part, it should be minus because y equal to fx, na? Lower part of the circle, it will be minus. Upper part of the circle, it will be plus.
Yes.
Clear? All of you got clear, right?
Yes.
So then finally what we are getting, the integration, and I want you to solve this integration, dear students. So if you look into it, this value of integrate, it becomes 0 to r square root of r square minus x square dx. Got it or not? Did you get my point, dear students?
Yes.
So now can you please find the value of this integration? Square root of a square minus x square dx. Devanshu, I want to know from you what is the formula for square root of a square minus x square dx. You need to tell me what is the formula for square root of a square minus x square dx. Or if you say that you cannot say, then please let me know so that I can pass the question to the others. Can anyone tell what is the formula for square root of a square minus x square dx?
Sir, it's a sine theta. X is equal to like
X
for
is equal to,
substitution.
hold on, no. Why should you go for substitution, dear Divansu? When there is a standard formula, you can go with substitution. Then it will take 10 minutes to answer. I want in 10 seconds.
So the x by 2 into r square minus x square plus r square by 2 sine inverse x by r.
Fantastic. That is perfect answer. Perfect. Appreciate you, Mohit. Very good answer. So what is that? Because that is a standard formula. Now, if you want to reinvent the wheel, you can always reinvent, but it is a matter of time. Whether you have that much of time or not, that you need to understand. Exactly. So what is the value of the integration we are getting? Is that r by, x by 2 into square root of r square minus x square plus r square by 2 into sine inverse x by r, correct?
Yeah.
All of you agree to me? See, the formula are like utensils. Okay, suppose you want to make food in kitchen, then these formulas are like utensils or the different masalas. You need to know at what time what masala you need to apply. Okay, so that is equal to, now first we find the value of r. So what we get? R by 2 into square root of r square minus r square plus r square by 2 into sine inverse r by r, correct? Minus 0 by 2 into square root of r square minus 0 square, correct or not? Huh?
Yes.
Plus r square by 2 into sine inverse 0 by r, that is 0.
Yeah.
So first expression is 0, square root of r square minus r square plus r square by 2 into
Sine inverse 1.
sine inverse 1 minus this value is 0, this value is also 0. So what we'll end up with? It is r square by 2 into sine inverse of, you may not be knowing this particular part, but let me tell you which value of sine is 1, what value of sine is 1?
90 degree.
Sine 90 degree, correct. So we can write sine pi by 2.
Yeah.
We have not discussed inverse trigonometric functions. So one thing you can remember, because that is important for your physics, numericals as well. Sine inverse of sine theta equal to theta. In simple term, it is not always true. There are some specific conditions, but in simple term, you can assume sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta. So here also, sine inverse of sine pi by 2 should be equal to pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Yeah.
So r square by 2 into pi by 2. So that is equal to pi into r square by 4. And that's what you answered in few seconds, right? That I took time to derive.
Yeah.
Correct? But there are reasons. Then you can think, sir, always it is like that. No, it is not always like that. You will find some other problems where you really cannot tell without, you really cannot find the area without doing the definite integration. Are you getting my point, dear students?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to do one such problem with you. So here the question is there. So what question? Let me write the question here so that area of the region already I mentioned here. So let me go to this thing, and here I will explain little bit about parabola. all of you are aware of the parabolic structure? Means just in a very, simple terms, what a
Yes.
parabola looks like. Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay. So, and I'll explain the equation of parabola, but I want you to do along with me. So, here the question is that find the area of the region bounded by the parabolas y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Okay, I want to explain first, then we'll start solving the problem together. Y square equal to 4ax is an equation of a parabola. Similarly, x square equal to 4ay, that is also an equation of a parabola. Okay, what type of parabolas it is? Let me first draw the coordinate axis. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis, dear students. So this is positive direction of x-axis. This is negative direction of x-axis. This is positive direction of y-axis, and this is negative direction of y-axis, and this is origin. You know, dear students, the next point what I'm going to discuss, you are not aware of. What is the equation of y square equal to 4ax? Y square equal to 4ax is the equation of this kind of parabola whose shape is like this. Okay, that is y square equal to 4ax. If you look into this curve, what I drawn in blue, it looks like a parabola, right?
Mm.
Isn't it, dear students? Now, from a symmetry point of view, you can say, sir, if y square equal to 4ax looks like this, then x square equal to 4ay definitely should be look like this. Am I right or wrong? Gurman, is it clear?
Yes.
Sagnik, absolutely clear? Disha?
Yes.
Correct. Huh? Divansu, clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Srijita? Okay. So then this is equation is that x square equal to 4ay. Okay. Anyone has any difficulty so far? If it is not, then the next part I want you to, start solving it along with me, definitely, because we are learning here. What we are doing is that, what is the question now? Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola. That means we need to find the area of this region, correct or not?
Yeah.
Now tell me, whatever the concepts you have, it is difficult to answer. Correct, no? What? But if you apply the concepts of definite integration, it is so easy to answer. And we want to explore that. First, all of you understood what is the question here? Let me repeat. The question is, find the area of the region bounded by the parabolas y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. So this is the region bounded by what I marked in that yellow. Correct? But how to achieve that one? To achieve that one, there are some, small, construction you need to do, very small. So what we are doing is that, we are drawing a perpendicular from here. Suppose we give this name as A, this name as B, which is the point of intersection of y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Correct, no?
Yes.
And the upper part is giving us C, that is which is the blue part of this curve. Now, on that arc, I choose a arbitrary point C, and the lower part of that arc, that is what is the curve in x square equal to 4ay, I give a curve D, point D, any point on that, which is in the purple color. You see, na, dear students?
Yes.
So then, what we can write is that we can write the required area required area is equal to area of the region OABCO. OABCO. Correct?
Yeah.
Minus area of the region OABDO. All of you agree to me?
Yeah.
All of you agree to me, dear student?
Yes.
Now the point is that how to find the area of the region
Yes, sir.
OABCO. So if you look into the curve that the curve, that OCB, that arc is on the y square equal to 4ax. No?
Yeah.
So now we can find the area of the region OABCO is what? From x coordinate of the point 0 O to x coordinate of the point A y dx, where y is equal to square root of 4ax. Na? Are you getting my point? What is y here? Here y is equal to plus minus square root of 4ax. Na?
Yeah.
Plus part is for the above the x-axis, and the minus part is below the x-axis. So as we are concentrating above the y-axis, so we can assume that function fx is equal to square root of 4ax.
Yeah.
Correct or not? Now, dear students, if you look into the area of the region OABCO, how we can find it out? Area of the region OABCO, I am going to find it out here. That should be the integration 1.0, right? That is the origin.
Yeah.
The x coordinate of A. So I am not writing it here. I'll write after some time. I am giving a star. Correct or not? That is the x coordinate of A. Correct? And y dx. Correct or not? That is fx dx. All of you agree to me? Please say, all of you, whether you understood or not. If it is not, I will explain you again and again. No problem at all.
Yes,
Dear
fine.
sir, please understood. Do you understand? Sagnik, you are there? Goodman? Hello?
Yes,
You
sir.
understood this part very well?
Yes.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Sagnik? Srijita? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maybe Sagnik is muted or something. I do not know. Okay. So the point is that what is that 0 to that star? I'm going to find that value star. But you understood that why it is OABCO should be equal to integration that x coordinate of the point from where the curve started. Na? This is
Yes.
the point where the curve started till the point. Correct? Na? Integration A to B. Remember fx dx. A is 0 in this case.
Yeah.
B is what? It is the x coordinate of A.
It's,
Now the question comes is that how to find the x coordinate of A? Can someone give me any idea how we can find the x coordinate of the point A? Or the other way, can you find what is the coordinate of the point B, which is the intersection of the curve y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay? So here is the concept of algebra and that coordinate geometry converge together, mixing together. Okay, how? Let me tell you. To find the coordinate of the point B, I need to solve these two equations. Na? One equation is that y square equal to 4ax, correct or not?
yeah.
One equation is y square equal to 4ax, and another equation is equal to x square equal to 4ay. If you just concentrate without looking into the curve to solve this one, what you will get? You will get the value of x and y which is satisfied by both the curves, both the equations.
Yes.
That is from a pure algebraic point of view, isn't it? If you solve y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay together, the value of x and y you are going to get is actually being satisfied by both the algebraic equations. Correct or not?
Yes.
So how to do that? That I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is that x square equal to 4ay, na, dear students. So from x square equal to 4ay, what we will write? X square equal to, so what I'm going to do is that I'm squaring both the sides. If I square both the side, I will get x power 4 is equal to 16a square into y square.
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yes.
So this implies x power 4 is equal to 16a square, y square equal to what? 4ax
Yes.
into 4ax. So this implies what? X cube, x power 4 minus 4a whole square. 4a into cube into x, correct or not, is equal to 0.
Yeah.
That means x into x power 3 minus 4a power 3 is equal to 0, correct or not? That implies, in simple term, we can say x equal to 0 and 4a. It is a biquadratic equation. It has 4 roots. I'm just concentrating on the 2 roots, which is meaningful in the context of the discussion. All of
Yes.
you agree to me? And
Yes.
here I would like to tell you one point, dear students. We have a tendency just to cancel x, but that is not correct. Why? We can cancel x if x is not equal to 0, but no, x could be 0 also, which is the coordinate of the point O. So we get two coordinates of the point. One is the x coordinate of the point O and x coordinate of the point B. Correct or not?
Yes.
So coordinate of the point A is nothing but 4a comma 0. Are you getting my point, all of you?
Yeah.
Now the moment we get the coordinate of the point A is 4a comma 0, what is the coordinate of the point B?
B will be
Correct?
4. You have to solve y.
No, you need to solve y, but just simple thing. Take this one. Take this equation. If you take this equation, y square equal to what? 4a into 4a, na? X equal to 4a you already got.
Yeah.
So that implies what? Y is equal to plus minus 4a. Correct or not?
Yes.
They are not clear. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
But we will only consider the 4a. Why? Because we are considering the above the x-axis. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So then we get the coordinate of the point B is as 4a comma 4a. Anyone has any difficulty to understand, please do let me know. Because the more you understand on these kind of things, it will help you to understand, solve problems in physics numerical later very easily. You will not face any difficulty. So then what we are going to get? What is the x coordinate? If you recall that I said that, I'll come back later about this. So now I can write here, na, this is equal to 4a. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So that is equal to what? That is equal to integration 0 to 4a square root of 4ax dx. Correct or not? Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So this is equal to square root of 4a into x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 square root of x dx.
Yeah.
X to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, 0 to 4a. Clear or not clear? Absolutely clear?
Yes.
Sorry. Then what we are going to get out of it? So it will be 2 by 3 ultimately. 3 by 2, 1 by 3 by 2 become 2 by 3, na?
Right.
2 by 3 into square root of 4a become 2 into square root of a. Then first it will come 4a to the power 3 by 2 minus 0 to the power 3 by 2, definite integral.
Yeah.
So that is equal to what? 4a to the power 3 by 2. If you compute all these things, so 4a to the power 3 by 2, it will be actually equal to 2 to the power 3, correct or not? How come? Huh? Okay, let's see. 2 to the power 2, 2 into 2 is become 4 by 3, correct or not?
Yeah.
4 by 3 into a to the power 1 by 2. Correct or not?
4 by 3.
4 to the power 3 by 2. Again 4 to the power 3 by 2. Correct? Into a to the power 3 by 2. All of you agree to me?
Yes.
I am doing some 7th standard mathematics, by the way. I hope you agree to me.
Yes.
So that is equal to what? It actually, sorry, I made a mistake here. It will be 3. Correct? So 4 to the power 1 into 4 to the power 3 by 2. That is 4 to the power 1 plus 3 by 2. That is, sorry?
Yes, I got it.
What it will be? It will be 4.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. It should be 4 to the power, 5 by 3. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
So 4 to the power 5 by 2. Not 5 by 3, 5 by 2. Divided by 3 into a to the power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That is a?
Yeah.
1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Sorry. A square.
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
So then what we are going to get? 4 to the power 5 by 2. 4 to the power 5 by 2 is equal to, actually 4 means 2 to the power 2. So it will be actually 2 to the power 5 by 3. Correct or not?
Yes, yes, correct.
2 to the power 5 by 3 into a square. So that is equal to 32 into a square by 3. So that is the region of the, OABCO. Correct or not? Now what we are going to find is that OABDO. Now looking at the different color, area of the region OABDO. Can someone please guide me how to proceed? OABDO. How to find the area of this region?
So it will be integration 0 to y coordinate of B.
Y coordinate of B.
No.
We need to find the area of this region. No? Means if I write, we need to find the area of this region. Already we found the area of this region. We already found area of this region. Just 32 by na minus area of this region. Got it or not?
Yes.
Got my point?
Yeah.
So here it will be. Here the same thing, na?
X equals to plus minus into 4a1.
So what we are getting this curve, y is equal to x square by 4a. From here, what we are going to get is that means y equal to x square by 4a, na?
Yes.
So that implies fx equal to x square by 4a. So not fx, let's give a different name, gx. This curve equal to gx, for example. Gx equal to x square by 4a, correct or not?
Yeah.
So then what will happen? This will happen integration 0 to again 4a, na? Why 4a? Please try to understand. OABDO. So we are going to find the area of this region, right? If we find the area of this region, so it is from x coordinate of that origin to the x coordinate of the point A.
Yes.
That is 0 to 4a.
Yeah.
And which curve here? We are taking the curve x square equal to 4ay, which in terms of y equal to fx is x square by 4a.
Yes.
X square by 4a dx. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
And earlier what we found? OABCO. In OABCO, we found area of this region. We found area of this region. Correct or not? OABCO.
Yeah.
What you already found, right?
Yes.
Which I wrote in black. See, na? Drawn in black.
Yeah.
From that one, if we subtract the area of the region OA BDO, which is in the purple one, we'll get that area of the region ODBCO, right?
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
So we need to find that area of this region, that is 0 to 4a x square by 4a. So that is equal to what? 1 by 4a. So let me write in this one. That is equal to 1 by 4a integration x square dx 0 to 4a.
Yes.
So this is equal to what? 1 by 4a into x cube by 3, na?
Yes.
X cube by 3, 0 to 4a. So that is equal to 1 by 12 into a, 4a to the power cube. Correct or not? So then finally what you are going to get? Tell me, what will be the value?
16a square by 3.
Correct. It is 16a square by 3. Correct. 16a square by 3. Obviously, a is not equal to 0. That's why you are able to cancel a. Correct, no?
Yes.
So then what is the required area? 32a square by 3 minus 16a square by 3. Correct or not?
Yeah. Yes.
Clear or not clear?
Yes. Okay.
So finally, what you get, the required area is equal to, what do you find the required area?
16a square.
Required area is equal to 32a square by 3 minus 16a square by 3.
Yes.
That is equal to what?
16a square.
16a square by 3. Yes, this is, relatively advanced topic with respect to today. But if you follow later, I will share the video lectures of this entire session. Then you will find it out that it is not that difficult. You need to follow yesterday's lecture as well. Okay. Correct, no, dear students. So I want to do one classical question. This is why I'm saying it is a classical question. You need to apply this kind of concepts to find the definite integration. So that will be the last question for today's session. So I hope you have some 10 more minutes now if I continue.
Yes.
Okay. Here the question is that, so where the essence of definite integration we apply? So we solved two problems, total 3 problems so far. First one is that one of your doubt. Second one was, and third one was how to solve the area under a curve using the definite integration. Now another category of problem which is also very, very relevant, and you will all get it 1 year from now, that how important it is. Suppose find the value of integration 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x divided by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. Okay, dear students? Is the question clear?
Yes.
Apparently, you may find this question, is a little bit difficult. But if you recall, dear students, the properties what we discussed yesterday, if we apply these properties, it becomes so easy. And I want to show you that. So how to show this thing? How to achieve the result? Here it is. Let I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x divided by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. Clear, students? We are assuming. Now, if you recall, there is a property we discussed yesterday. If you can flip to this property, that integration 0 to a fx dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx.
Yeah. Yeah.
Should recall? So then what we'll get? Here a is what? A is pi by 2, dear students? So then what we are going to get? What is fx here? Fx is square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x.
Yeah.
So that will become square root of sin pi by 2 minus x divided by square root of sin pi by 2 minus x plus square root of cos pi by 2 minus x dx. Am I right or wrong?
Mm.
Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So from here, what we get is that this implies I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin pi by 2 minus x is what?
Cos x.
Yes, very good. Appreciate. Square root of cos x divided by square root of cos x
Yeah.
plus square root of sin x dx.
Yes.
Now here is a proper way of doing this thing. See, we get sin x equal to this one. Sorry, not sin x. I'm sorry. I is equal to this. Correct or not?
Yeah.
And here also we get I is equal to the same I is equal to this.
Mm.
Suppose I give this as equation 1 and this I give an equation 2. Correct, no, dear students?
Mm.
So now both x and I. Now let me add them. So what I am going to do? If I am going to do 1 plus 2 of both the sides, what we are going to get in the left hand side? I plus I, na?
Mm.
And our target is to find the value of I, by the way.
Mm.
It is integration 0 to pi by 2. If you see, in both the expression of the integrand, the denominator is same, square root of cos x plus sin x.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Square root of cos x plus square root of sin x. And the numerator also you will get square root of sin x plus cos x, na?
Mm.
Or you can write square root of cos x plus square root of sin x.
Mm.
Divanshu, absolutely clear?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So then what we are going to get? We are going to get, this implies that 2I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 just dx.
Mm.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
You can write since square root of cos x plus square root of sin x can never be 0.
Mm.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
So now it is pretty simple. You remember a few minutes back I said apparently it looks like difficult relatively. But if we use the properties of definite integration, it becomes so easy.
Mm.
So from here what we get? 2I is equal to, we know it is x, integration of dx is x,
So,
0 to pi by 2.
Mm.
So this implies 2I is equal to pi by 2 minus 0. This implies I is equal to pi by 4. So that implies what? Whatever the given integration was given to us, integration 0 to pi by 2, correct, no?
Yeah.
Square root of sine x divided by square root of sine x plus cos x, square root of sine x plus square root of cos x dx is equal to pi by 4. That is the required value.
Yes.
Okay, now dear students.
Yes. Yes.
So, what we discussed today, let me summarize, that we see how we can apply the concept of definite integration to solve the area under a curve, which you will be, needing in several of your physics theory and numericals. We also see that how we can use the property of definite integration to solve problems. Okay, so I do not have any specific exercise I would like to give it for today. But what I will suggest, you spend the entire day today just revising all the formulas of differential calculus, integral calculus. Revise thoroughly whatever we have discussed, last 1 month or so, whatever we have discussed, revise thoroughly. You must be having all the class notes. Video lectures are also sent. So, and if you have any difficulty, please do let me know. Tomorrow, we will start a new topic, and there also you'll find that how the application of mathematics can help you to solve problem in physics as well. With this, I would like to conclude the class for today. And those who have not submitted their, DPPs, please submit it. You must be knowing the importance of it. Okay, I no need to, explain it again. If you face any difficulty, as I always say, at any moment of time, you see that whenever you communicate, I generally reply back. Okay, so please do contact me whenever you face any difficulty while solving this. And with this, I would like to conclude the class today. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.